I would like to greet all the Corona warriors of different parts of India, our beloved country India, who have served, who have given their incredible service during this Corona quarantine time. We are so grateful. We are so proud of all the candidates who has received our certificate of appreciation from the American University for Global Peace USA on the recommendation of our national representative, the ambassador Dr. Tahira Hassan, and her team of Open Air Times. As we all know that due to this coronavirus, it has given us a good teaching also. As people were dividing, they were having a lot of discriminations earlier, but now we have all learned that corona has broken all such boundaries, irrespective of all boundaries of any language speaking people or of any ethnic background or of any religious background people. We all have to be united together because we all are created by the same God, the God who has created the whole universe. Many big planets in this universe, and our Earth is a very small planet. This Earth is a very small planet, but then also God has chosen this Earth planet for the human being to dwell on this Earth planet. Many big planets are there, but there is no life. There is no human being. Even not other things are also not there. The water is also not available. So now let us be united together. The work which you all, our participants, all the heroes, the corona warriors, those who have done during this quarantine period, we are expecting that you should continue the same thing in our rest of our life so that we can establish global peace for the sustainable development to make India strong. Make India strong, I repeat, for the sustainable development, for making India strong. God bless you all. God bless you all. Keep joining us in our future programs also. Thanks to Dr. Tahira Hassan for her hard work, which she has done for observing the activities and